How you feeling? Ready, yeah? Cool. Let's show the people where we got to last time. I'll follow you down, and then you follow me down. Slow speed. Yeah. Second gear clutch ups. Yeah. So what we done, guys, we had them in first gear, cracking the throttle open, getting used to the wheel coming up. Now we're on second gear clutch ups. Nice. Slower. Yeah. More beans. More beans. More beans. More. Yeah. We're gonna keep him doing that. Yes. He's actually on a restricted MT-07, guys, so if we can get him doing it on this, you guys can do it. Yeah, just more beans, man. This is you, yeah? More beans. To there. Yeah. That is coming up. More. He's just got to get that timing down. We're just going to practice for the rest of the session and we will get back. We'll see how far he gets today. Don't go too fast. You have to, when you bring the wheel down, slow it right down. Because if you go too fast, it's going to make it harder to come up. And if you're going slower, you're going to feel more comfortable as well.
What like speed should we do? Like 20?
Yeah, 20 or less. If we can get you to here, then we'll start thinking, all right, cool, time to get the rear brake dialed in. So you start bringing it out to here and putting it down with a foot brake. I need to lean back. Ah, it's choppy. There we go. Steady on the throttle. Chilling. I so really want to go to Nino. Let's see how he's getting on. More beans. Break the barrier. Yeah, we'll get you there. Slow down. Don't rush. Smooth. With the clutch, everything's smooth. Get the timing. Yeah. Hold on to the handle with 2 fingers. Don't clutch up with your whole hand. Yeah, like that, yeah. I can see you're waiting, and you're thinking about doing it, like you got to do this and this and this, and you're really concentrating. When you get it down to where you're just going bam, bam, you don't need to think about the clutch up motion. That's when the wheel's really going to start coming up. So that's, yeah, just keep practicing what you're practicing.
A few moments later.
Here is today's progress, guys. Don't rush. I'm impressed. I'm actually very impressed. Slow it down. Take your time. Hold up. Wait. Forget about the camera. Yeah, it's different when there's a bike next to you and a camera as well. It's like double pressure. Yeah, exactly. Just do exactly what you was doing. It's your road. Yeah, relax. Hype him up in the comments, guys. This is clutch up. Oh my god! That is so sick. Oh, and then I can't wheelie because of the third. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, come on, neutral. Finding neutral on the supermoto is like trying to find a girlfriend in 2021. Instagram behind the scenes. The things I do for you guys on Instagram. Go follow me. Yeah. Go to video. Please, no traffic. Let's go. Hey, hey. Wait. Ah, one more. Wait. Nah, I'm going off left. That was bullshit! I'm nervous on the main road. It annoys me. I can feel it. Feel the nervousness. Red. I'm swerving. I couldn't see. I thought it looked bright and I can't see. One more. I'm not good enough. Oh, they're small fucking horses. Hello, mate. Alright, so we haven't got much sunlight left. Let's get it, boys. Oh my god. So it is fucking freezing. tyres slipping, my hands are cold. This is going to be tough. Yeah, this is going to be really tough. I actually can't feel my hands. I already know what I'm learning today, but anything right now is a plus. I can't see a thing. The sun is completely blocking my view. I want to be able to slow it down. I feel like I'm going to struggle with the precision of the wheelie technique today. It's because my hands are so flipping cold. Right, so we can't wheelie going this way because I always go off to the left and I can't steer to the right. And going back that way, I've got the sun in my eyes and it's freezing cold. I could put on my winter gloves, which I think I actually might do right now, because yeah, this is pretty like unrideable with these gloves on. But yeah, I just want control. I think smooth on the throttle, but maintaining a steady throttle. Nah, what is that? That was it's just shit. So yeah, I just want to learn like smoother throttle work. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I'm alright, mate. It happens. And thank you for stopping anyway. Cheers, mate. Well, that's that, guys. My right shoulder's completely fucked as well, I think. It's not completely fucked, but it's definitely injured. I think I've just pulled something. Everything else is completely fine. My mom's gonna kill me.
Rebel soul child got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors and I'm blessed, huh? They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same. You can see when I look in your iris. You likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet. My pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened. I like who I am, but I'm biased. The palette is right, and my drip is a fountain. I'm not like these regular guys. All of that talk is misguided. She like the way I make the tape print, but the way I make the words play is grim. I'm the reaper reaching for the kill switch. The label cut the check like the bladesman. Something sparking where his brain is. The beat is somewhere where they prayers in. Geronimo, the way I make the bass jump when no parachute is tasteless. They likely to run their mouth, but when they see you face to face, they quick with the shape shift. Up through the night, work the grave shift. Batted from the cradle to the grave, bitch. Big mad how they face tense. Look both ways for you catch fade. I'm a nice guy on the inside, still I'm not somebody to be played with.